welcome back. Today I have another entirely new subscription box for my channel. I am bringing to you the Causebox. Now this one is the summer version because, you know, everything's been very delayed. Facilities have been shut down, so they have not actually shipped me my summer box until now. Which, I mean, we're in late August, but I understand circumstances of 2020 right now. So I've been giving a lot of the boxes the benefit of the doubt for, you know, the summer boxes because I'm still waiting on a few. So I will be giving them a pass on that this time around. But yeah, I decided to sign up for the Causebox because it was actually requested by a few of you guys. You wanted me to review it, so I am doing that. And the price of the Causebox is $54.95 for the quarterly membership. So this is gonna ship every season. It reminds me a whole lot of the FabFitFun box. I mean, even just the box right away. I got it at my door and I was like, oh, it's the FabFitFun fall box. And then I was like, wait, that's a Causebox. So, you know, we'll have to see the differences between these two boxes here. But yeah, I'm really excited to be diving into this box because they are also supposed to be a very conscious brand. They are community focused, everything is ethically made, environmentally conscious, and impact driven. So yeah, I'm just super excited to be diving into this box. I have waited long enough, it is way overdue. Let's bring out the baby scissors. Let's cut into this bad boy. It is about time. I've been waiting for you. Diving in to the Causebox. Okay, so they also have their own pamphlet here. That's what the box looks like. Oh, and with the Causebox, they do also mention it's supposed to be 6 to 8 products each box. And it's hard to tell with their pamphlet, but I think some of these are items that are in the box. We will find out. Or not pamphlet, magazine. Right up top is a very cute postcard. So I could mail this off to someone. Actually, this is perfect to mail off to my grandma. She always mails me a postcard from Sweden. I need to send one to her. That's gonna work out perfect. All right, but let's dive into the first item, and I feel something really squishy here. What do we got? Silicone stretch lids. Oh, so you can take a, well, this is a terrible example because it's way too small, but you could take like a container and seal it around. It has to be a little bit bigger. I'm guessing it can, but that's the concept. That is actually a really practical item. I try my best to only use containers that I have at home. I don't use any saran wrap. Sometimes I do though, if, you know, pressed for time. So this would be good to eliminate that. All right, but let's dive back into the box here again. And it looks like we got some earrings down here, which, by the way, I'm super excited about. I have officially surpassed, I think it's a year and a month now? Year and 2 months? Since I had my stretch lobe repairal surgery where they sealed my ears back up from having stretched ears. So I actually was able to put in hoops for the very first time this past weekend. I was so excited about it. I just had to share it with you guys. So I can actually put these in. I am super excited. Let's do it. It's the little things. Dangly earrings, how I've missed you. But that actually looks really cute, and I think it's actually very trendy right now. I've seen quite a lot of this style. Oh, and I totally missed this, but it is made by hand. That's really cool. But diving back into the box here, we got our third product now. And this time we got the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. And it sounds like this is supposed to be just like an all-around healing balm. It's supposed to be used for chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, and baby ointment. I mean, it just sounds like it's anything you can think of. This thing will work for it. And it just comes in this tube. But I mean, that sounds like a cool product to kind of have on hand for multiple uses. Once this video's over and I wipe away my lipstick, I'll try it for the chapped lips situation because my lips have been a little bit dry. So I'll see how that works for that. But let's dive back into the box here. Our fourth item, and this one looks like a biggie. You know what, I gotta read it. This is the Reed Diffuser Bergamot and Grapefruit. And I'm gonna open this up now and plop these sticks in because I already have a place in mind for it in my house. Oh, and my eyes just caught right here. It says made with love, and then there's a signature here in Sharpie. Oh, that's so sweet. So you know who made it. Every diffuser provides clean water to the places that need it the most. Oh, that's really nice. It's a really nice scent too. You can definitely smell the grapefruit coming through. Definitely smells very fresh, fruity. I like it. And then back into the box here, we got another product, obviously. Wouldn't be anything else. But this is the Grace and Stell Say Hi to Hydration. It is their hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. Let's take just a little peek at what it looks like. Fancy bottle. The bottles always get me. But it's just got the pump up there. It's just supposed to be a hyaluronic acid serum that you're supposed to rub on the face for some good hydration. Serums are definitely one of those that I try out very sparingly. I am gonna avoid opening this one up until I'm ready because serums can last you so long since you just use a little drop here and there. So I'm still working on a serum that I got now, but I will put that one in the queue. Look in here, we got a big box for the next one. Pepper and Vetiver. Let us break into you. Oh, I gotta be careful with this. It's a set of bowls. You got 3 different variations. Let me hold it a little bit closer to you. So this is a small one, green one, the medium bowl. It's got a bit of a green and a blue to it. And then the big bowl, it's got 2 tones of blue. I don't know about you guys, but this to me looks like a cereal bowl. This looks like when you just want a little bit of cereal. And this one looks like I'm just gonna put a little bit of snacks in there. Are these ones handmade too, or handmade? No. Dishwasher, microwave safe. Very good to know. Oh, they classify it as salad, cereal, and dessert. So their medium is the cereal bowl. It doesn't say anything about this one being handmade. It just says New Bone China, made in China. But it looks like a cute little 3-piece set of bowls. Totally was not expecting that in the box. Oh wow, and those bowls are $49 for the 3-piece set. Wow. And then we just got one more item in the box, which is one I actually recognize. This is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. We got one of these in our BoxyCharm Luxe, and I did not even get to use mine. It was swiped right away from me. My youngest sister-in-law, she ended up getting that one, which reminds me, I need to check in with her and see how she's been liking it, and if she's been using it continuously, or if she's kind of forgotten about it. Need to check in on that. But I already remember from when I got it the last time. This one's $99. Oh, and I got the navy blue this time. But here's what it looks like. It's got the head up top. It's got the silicone bristles up here. And you're supposed to plug in these little batteries and then it vibrates and you can cleanse your face with it. This is a very cute color. I like this one. I do personally own a Clarisonic that I use the bristle one. So those ones you do have to change out the heads of them. I think it's every 2 months. I don't know if it's longer, 2 to 3 months, I think, off the top of my head. And the silicone ones, in comparison to those, you don't have to replace these. The silicone is supposed to not keep any bacteria, so it's supposed to be a little bit more hygienic, not harboring any bacteria in there. So I think I might keep this one for myself and maybe make the switch. I don't know, I am quite a fan of my Clarisonic, so I might have to do a little test between the two. But that was now the last item for our summer Causebox. Let us do a little recap here. So we got earrings, bowls, cleanser, serum, healing balm, silicone lids, and the diffuser. So how many items was that? 7 items? So we got 7 items in the box, and I tried to keep track here of the totals of everything, which the only thing I couldn't find online right now are these earrings. I think maybe they're just kind of out of season now because it has been a few months since the summer, but their general price for all their earrings was actually $28, so that's the price I'm gonna go with for these earrings. Everything else I did find a price for, so let me add that up. All right, so in total here for our Causebox, I got a value of $267.40. That is definitely a really good price point to hit for $54. So it definitely looks like you're getting your money's worth in terms of the value, which is really good because it is a little bit of a pricier box. It's $54.95, was it? Yeah, $54.95. So that's definitely a really good thing. And with this being my first ever Causebox, honestly, I liked it. I mean, it definitely seemed like it had some good items inside of it. I really like the whole environmentally conscious, very community focused, like the handmade items, the ones where you get a little signature, who made it. I think those are some cute little details that go into the box that make you kind of feel good about buying it. And yeah, I mean, they ended up having some fun items. I mean, I got another PMD score. These earrings are adorable, and I mean, it's a little item, but this is genius. I'm wanting some silicone stretchlets. But yes, so I think I'll definitely keep Causebox for another go around, and we'll see what happens here with fall, because I think they're already gonna be starting to ship that one, so we might be seeing that one very soon. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed me unboxing and reviewing the Causebox. Let me know if you guys are gonna give them a shot for fall. I'm definitely very curious now what they're gonna be putting in it. But if you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!